welcome back to Calabama Cooking. I'm Chef Lorious. Today here in the Love Lab, we're back in the air fryer again, guys, and today we are making potatoes. We're gonna have some roasted potatoes in the air fryer that are absolutely amazing, don't take long to cook, and if you love potatoes like me, cooking them in the oven sometimes is frustrating because it takes so dang long. Not in the air fryer. All right, guys, come on in the kitchen with me. Let's cook. Okay guys, here are our ingredients. This is really simple. I'm using small potatoes, okay? And what I did, these actually are 2-bite potatoes. I cut them in half, okay? Because you want them to be a nice simple size like this. It helps them cook evenly and relatively quickly and you won't be disappointed. What we're gonna do, put these in a bowl, our potatoes here. Squirt just about a tablespoon of olive oil, not a ton. I'm gonna sprinkle some garlic powder, okay? There we go. Some marjoram. Yes, that's a spice that a lot of people don't use. It's good though. Some thyme, one of my faves. Okay. And then some salt. Again, kosher salt. Salt potatoes good because potatoes can be boring without it. And some fresh ground pepper. Okay, all of that. One more little squirt of that olive oil. And then we're just gonna toss these till everybody is coated. Ooh, look at that, y'all. Look at that. If they look a little dry, you do want to make sure they're fully coated, okay? Because you want a little olive oil on them. So just go back with a little smidge. Don't worry, they're not going to oil up when they're cooking. It's going to be fine. It's going to help them get a nice texture to the outside. We're going to put these in the air fryer on about 400 degrees for about 10 minutes. Take them out, shake them around. Then we're going to put them back in for another few minutes. And when they come out, we're going to take some melted butter. That's what this is. And we're going to put them all over it because why not, you know? All right, guys, here we go. Let's get these into the air fryer, just like so. Like to get them all on about one level, but you might have one layer rather, but you might have a little bit of overlap. That's okay. Okay, in they go. I've already preheated my air fryer. We're going for 400 degrees for 10 minutes. All right, guys, the potatoes are done. Look, you see how just that little bit of oil helped us get a nice texture on the outside? So now that they're out, what we're gonna do, we're gonna dump them into this bowl. Oh, you hear that? Oh man, you guys, I'm so excited. I've melted some butter here. Got a little bit of Parmesan. I'm gonna add about a tablespoon or so of Parmesan. 4 tablespoons of butter is in there. And a little bit of garlic powder. I'm gonna give this a stir. Like so. And here we go. We're just gonna put this all over here. Now you don't have to do this part. You can just eat the potatoes straight out. But y'all know I be loving things like, I did say I be loving things like butter and cheeses and oh, look. Oh, these are butter tossed air fryer potatoes. I'm gonna throw a pinch of salt on there. And y'all know, fresh black pepper. Woo! Let's give this one more stir. Is that not, oh, y'all. Okay, it is time for a taste. Yes, I'm taking this fork and going right in the bowl because I'm at home, okay? All right, I wouldn't do that at your house, but I'm at my house. Okay, truth. I'm waiting for the potato to cool off so I don't burn my mouth and embarrass the mess out of myself, as I've been known to do. Oh man. Okay. Oh my God, that was so good. Okay. You guys, these are amazing. You know what though? I'm gonna put some more Parmesan on because I love Parmesan. And I just want a little bit more. Just like that. If you don't like Parmesan, don't put it on there. You can also use cheddar, or I mean, you can really use any cheese, but you see how it melts in with that butter down there? Then you got like that little butter, potato butter. That's what we're gonna call it, potato butter. Okay. You guys, I know these are right now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start eating. Thank you for joining me today. Make sure you make these in your air fryer, all right? You will be amazed at how many fun things and quick and easy things you can do in your air fryer for your everyday cooking. Love you much. I'll see you next time. Happy cooking.